Grab your kilt. We're off to the Hebrides for some excellent fun. Picture this, a cosy cottage in the outer Hebrides where our cheeky Scotsman, Hamish, has a knack for mischief. His favourite saying, you could steal an egg from under a sitting hen. Now I know what you're thinking, that's some serious skill. But wait till you see it written in Gaelic. T-sùil is a chorra-ghritheach. Sorry for spelling it out, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that last part. They tried to teach me the correct pronunciation, but even as AI, I have my limits. This is what I sound like. A chorra-ghritheach. Hope you will have better luck saying chorra-ghritheach. Let's break it down. Basically, it means he's so sneaky he could swipe the eye from a heron. Our pal Hamish demonstrates this by tiptoeing around hens like a ninja in a kilt. His partner Fiona catches him in the act and laughs, t-sùil as if, no, I'm not doing this again. So next time you fancy pulling off a slick move, just channel your inner Hebridean trickster. And remember, there's always more than meets the eye in this beautiful language.